Timmy. Sarah and I were out here on the snowmobile. We're crossing the Henry's Fork Snake River. Craze Bridge. Got some Schwans out there. Got snowmachining. Crazy Sarah's driving. We headed up this river to take us up to Maxine. This feeds into Island Park Reservoir. Craze Bridge. We're going to snow machine over here a little bit. We'll show you. Schwans. It's a little bumpy right here because I can't get the groomer on it. Go ahead and turn right, Sarah. In the summertime, this area is a nice campground. When I was a small kid, this is where we'd launch our boat. Our cabin was just right down the road. This is the Yale Kilgore area, over that way, and just kind of buzzing down this little trail here. Some more snowmobilers.